Hi everyone, welcome to our Garage Makeover Part 3. And in this video, our goal is to apply, I almost dropped it, this product on OSB wall. But we don't have enough product to apply on the entire wall. This is why today we will start only with this part. I will remove the slide and we will apply this chemical only till this line, till here. Because we want to see how actually it's gonna look next to this gray wall.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. You do it or I gonna do it? I'm not an electrician, but I can take the slide off easily. Only 2 cables. I'm lying, 3 cables. Make sure electricity is off. I think this light is only on 1 volt. And it's off. Just like that. I still need to isolate these cables because when I will turn on this light, this cable will have a power and I don't want to kill myself. Not today. To isolate these cables, I will use this tape. Make sure electricity is disconnected. Last one is not very important, we can leave it as it is, but just in case. Okay, light is off, cables are isolated, and what? Let's wipe this wall and start applying product. Yes, mixing for 2 to 3 minutes, and I still don't know which brush to use. This one wider, or I should use a bit smaller brush. So this one probably will be easier to apply around this window, but with this bigger one it will be easier to apply flat panel. You need to pick one of them.
I think you can use the wider one. Just with the small spots you can turn it sideways.
Let's try. I just came back from the store because we needed more product and my dad now is mixing it. As you see, this mixing is in progress. One wall is almost done, we just need to finish this tiny panel, and today our main plan is to apply this product on the entire wall, and then our walls will be finished. Can't wait to see that. And we are almost done. As you see, wall is finished, but we still need to paint the floor and definitely we need new lights because they still haven't arrived. But you know what? Let's move car inside and have a look how it fit when garage is empty, because we have never seen that. Let's do it. It's raining outside. Oh. Okay, car is there. Okay.
No, it looks much better.
Yeah, it looks much better. At least on the side we have enough space to open doors all the way. That's nice. Of course we're a bit tight. It's not that bad, you know. We have 1 meter on the back, it's enough to wrap a bumper, but not problem at all. And on this side, we can open doors all the way as well. Yeah. What can I say? Perfect place. To work at the front, we'll need to move car all the way back, but it's alright. I'm really happy with the space. I still can move 20 centimeters forward. Still can move a bit, it's not a problem. Nice, nice, nice. But yeah, now we need lights. Very bad. Because with the floors we can live like it is, but without lights, we can't work at all. So finger crossed we'll get new lights in upcoming 2 weeks. Look what I have. If you don't know what is that, this is LED RGB strip. I'm planning to install it on the wall, just to add extra light on the sides. Because I think we're gonna have enough light from the top, but to eliminate some shadows, I will need some extra light on the side. This is why I bought this one, but I still don't know how to fit it. Because I was thinking it's gonna be a bit more steady, like more stiff, but as you see it's very flexible, and if it's not gonna look nice if it's gonna be wavy. We need to find a way how to put it on the wall and make it straight. But now I just wanna put it on the ground and check if this LED strip will add us enough light. Let's check. Hey, I want to turn it on.
No.
It's the most exciting moment. What I can say? Not much light, not too much light, not too much. I got this little remote controller and I can change any light on the strip. Let's make it red. Red. Let's make it purple. Oh, come on. And of course we have some effects. Oh, nice. Christmas in the garage. And white, most important color. Ooh, come on, go white. Okay, this is white. But
So you think it's not gonna be enough?
yeah, as you see, it's gonna be a nice accent, but not gonna be enough light to cover all this, to hide all shadows. But we'll see. I need to put some ideas together. Maybe we will put some extra LED strip and we'll add this strip around that strip. We'll see. We still need to work it out. Our new lights have arrived. I did not expect to get them so quickly. Today is only 1st of January and we're fitting them on ceiling. And as you see, our floor is still not done, but this is what we're gonna do straight away after the light's gonna be installed. last panel left to connect, and I would like to show you how easy it is to do it by yourself. You don't need to be an electrician to connect two cables, because every single LED panel have a LED driver, which you need to connect to power, and after you just connect this plug to your LED panel, and that's it. As well, we used plastic tubes with double-sided tape just to hide the cables. You can see them everywhere just to make it look like meat. You can see all this everywhere. Probably should look professional, I hope so. If not, we tried our best. But yeah, let's connect this last LED driver to this panel. All what we need, two cables. Blue goes to blue, brown goes to brown. Simple as that. All what you need to do, you need to check that everything is tight, you know? Nothing is loose. That's it. Now let's put this panel inside this frame. Where is it? I'm so happy that we changed our lights and went for 6000 kelvins, because as you see already 4 lights is on and light is just perfect. It's not too blue and not too yellow. Just it's perfect what we need. Let's slide it in. Where's some cable? Just need to hide it behind the panel, just like that. Okay, finger crossed. Let's turn on. All 8 lights are on. What I can say, I'm really happy with the results. It's bright, it's very bright. Guess what we're doing today? Ceiling done, walls are done, but yes, we still need to paint floor. As you see, it still looks really bad. And today we're gonna paint them. I still don't know what kind of color it's gonna be. It's very funny, but yeah, I still don't know. It's supposed to be some light gray color, but we'll see the color when we'll start applying the paint on the floor. Yeah, that will be a surprise for me and you.
Hope you like it.
I hope you're gonna like it, and I hope I'm gonna like it. Finally, our new space is finished. Freshly painted floors, ceilings, walls, new lights. We're still missing a few tiny bits, maybe extra lights on the walls and some power points and some touch-ups, but we will do that a bit later in the future. I'm so happy that finally this space is finished and we will be able to create more content for you. I already have a few ideas in my mind, but we're waiting for material. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. It's me, Virus, and I will see you next time.